I got a question right here, given that dE is equals to n times EF, where n is a scalar. Find the value of m and the value of n, right? So basically, okay, so let me write it out as basically I have dF or dE, sorry, and they're basically equal to n is equals to EF, right? So I know that I have calculated before my dE, which is 1 by 2a plus 3b, right? This is my dE, and I have n times basically the EF, which is basically my 3 by 2 plus m, right? And I'm gonna make it a outside because I'm gonna tell you why I made this a outside rather than writing a, multiplying this a by here, right? And then I'm gonna write a 9nb, right? So because they're both equal, right? So I can just compare them easily, right? So I can compare that 1 by 2, value 1 by 2 will be equal to n times the minus 3 by 2 plus m, right? And then 3b, 3, the value 3 is basically equal to 9n, right? So I'm going to do the same thing, right? So this is equal to this. I'm going to compare this thing with this, and then I'm going to compare this thing with this, right? Because these are basically vectors, right? So 3 is equals to 9n. So my n is equals to 1 by 3, right? Now I got my n value, right? Now I need my m value, right? So to find my m value, I have to use the vector a, right? Vector a is 1 by 2 is equals to n times minus 3 by 2 plus m, right? I have found my n value right here, right? You substitute this 1 by 3 over here, which is 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 3 times minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus m, then bracket here, my bad. Okay, so you get your m value as basically, yes, 3. Okay, this is your basically final answer. You have n value as 1 by 3 and you have m value as 3, right? So this is your final answer.